Hi YouTube, it's Davros here. Right, I've just received something which I want to show you. It's a new 5-piece locking set for my Kappa and Givi top boxes. Now, don't know whether you can see in the background there, I've got my panniers on my bike. I've also got 2 top boxes. I've got a 58 litre one and I've also got a 42 litre one. I like to swap and change between them. The only downside to them is I have to have 2 sets of keys. One key will work 2 panniers in the top box and the other key will only work 1 top box. But I found online from a company called XL Moto, I believe it is, a Givi locking kit for Givi cases. So if you have this type of key on your Givi or Kappa top boxes or cases, you can get a 5-piece locking set. So it's got 5 locks, so 4 of them are going to be used on, I'm going to change them, fit them onto my 2 panniers and my 2 lock boxes, so they'll all be the same size then. So that is what I've just received. This is going to mean whenever I want to change top boxes, I haven't got to go find another key, take it off the key ring, add the other one, etc. So hopefully this will be useful to anybody else that's got a choice of top boxes. Right then, so all 4 locks are now fitted. So that one works there, works that one, and it works that one, and it works that pannier as well. Now, don't quote me on this, but I believe Givi do a toolbox that mounts to your pannier rack, so I'm not sure whether the lock barrels are the same on that as well. It quite possibly be, and if that's the case, that's what I'll use the 5th lock barrel set for. Okay, there we go. So hopefully this little video was useful for you. Just to recap, it's Givi 5-piece lock set for Givi and Kappa aluminium and plastic cases that have the security key type fitting. The lock set cost me just shy of £70 with the delivery, and I got them from XL Moto, so I am very happy with those now. It means I've only got 1 key that I have to keep on the key ring. That will work both panniers and both top boxes. So I've no longer got the hassle of having 2 keys on the key ring or swapping and changing a key when I just want to use the smaller top box with no panniers, etc. Anyway, take care guys, and catch you soon.